Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna show you a really cool tour of this black A-frame right behind me. And this A-frame is one of the most famous Airbnb cabins in the Northern Europe. And if you really want to enjoy the absolute peace of nature, this is the right place for you. This is truly a treasure in the woods. And actually, this A-frame was built by host family, and I think they did a great job. I love these black and wooden combinations, and I can't wait to show you inside. You will see attention to detail is everywhere. So let's go and check this place out. At the first sight, it may look not so big from the outside, but when you first walk in, you see grand living space. You have these really big and bright windows with a great views on the forest and sparkling river. This wall A-frame is open concept, so there is no separate close-up bedrooms, only the bathroom. On the right side, you have this beautiful couch with some pillows and blanket, this cool coffee table, and on the left side, you have TV and this nice chair. There's a lot of board games as well, which is pretty cool, so you can enjoy time together. But if you want to just chill and relax, there's some really interesting books about cabin life, and this will lead you in even more in that cabin life mood. There's even a record player with a lot of record options. You can turn on, for example, Iconic Queen, and this will add really cool vibe to your cabin stay. Right in the corner, there's a fireplace. It will warm you up, especially at cold winter nights. Of course, at the winter, with your fireplace on, this place feels more magical. And I love that there's a cool decor pieces and plants everywhere. Looks really good. This is our kitchen and dining area, which is really beautiful. There's everything you need. Cabinets with all cooking utensils and dishes. Cooktop with pots and pans for cooking. You have fridge, freezer, and they provide you with some welcome drinks when you arrive. And there's open shelves with sugar, coffee, and their own hand-picked mint tea. Nothing big, but I think that's really cool. All those small things that really matters and gives you a warm welcome. Now let's go and check the loft. These black metallic stairs lead up to your loft sleeping area. It's really minimal and simple, with a bed for two right in the middle, and these little windows lead in natural light, and it gives really cozy feeling. There's space just for bed, but there's nothing more you would need. Let's go back downstairs. Right behind these cool doors is bathroom. Really beautiful, and I like these wooden elements here. There's your sink, towels, and all bathroom supplies. There's everything you need. And you have a pretty large shower, and as I mentioned, there's plants everywhere. This is really good looking A-frame. I love these black vibes, and at a night with all the lights on, it looks awesome. And now you will see my favorite part of this Airbnb, this gorgeous backyard place with this wooden hot tub and hanging chair. you can turn on these string lights and it will give you a really romantic vibe. And when you're here, it feels really unique and special. And there's some other sitting options as well. You can sit here and drink your morning coffee while enjoying amazing nature view and river sounds. And right behind your A-frame, there's a fire pit area. You can enjoy your fireplace or cook some barbecue. When you walk in, on the right side of the wall, you can see their own Airbnb rules. And one important thing to mention, this Airbnb is pet friendly, so you can take your pets with you. If this is the place that you want to come and check for yourself, I will leave the link of this Airbnb down below. They have their own Instagram page as well. As I mentioned, everyone really loves to come here. That's why they're fully booked on Airbnb most of the time, but in their Instagram you will see any reservation changes and available dates. So thank you for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. I really hope you will smash that subscribe button for us. It would really mean a lot for us, and don't forget to push that thumbs up as well, and see you in our next Airbnb.